What's up, YouTube? It's your brother Smokes. Alright, so for today, it's been one on my list. I can't lie. And it's been an all-time favorite for me. It's been something that I've always loved. And to get one that's built, it's pretty hefty price. But let me introduce you guys again to this beautiful RX7. And when I got this thing, I got it out of luck, to be honest. I'll go ahead and say luck, because I was in the right position at the right time at the right moment. So finding something like this was very hard to find for the price I was willing to pay. Let's put it like that. It's a beautiful RX-7. It's a 1992 Mazda Rx7. I don't know too much about these things, I'm gonna be honest. I don't really know what I got right here, but I'm planning on doing something crazy. Or wait, what's going on? Oh, I thought the camera had turned off. My bad, y'all. Alright, so I don't have the keys. The title, I was trying to get the title for it. One of the homie that I got it from at that time had it at a shop, and damn, somebody whacked my shit. It wasn't like this. This is fresh. But whatever, we're gonna go ahead and try to get this thing situated. I'm gonna give it a little bit of my love. Y'all already know how I do with this shit. So I'm not sure what to do as far as what engine to throw up in here. Let me go ahead and show you guys through the tire, because I can't open the hood. I locked myself out, so I gotta get a screwdriver or flathead to just try to pry it down or remove that shit. Sorry for the bad language, but yeah, man, we are locked and loaded with this beautiful 1992 Mazda RX-7 FD. It has some original parts, like the rims. I could see that these are original. This is the Mazda logo. Has suspension, but it's missing a whole lot of. And that's gonna be fucking hefty, but I'm willing to give it a shot. Like I said, I don't have the key. I'm gonna go ahead and just stretch out this camera and fucking try to give you guys a view of the inside. They painted it recycling bin blue. It's got a cage, it's got a couple of the parts back there. No dash, of course. Found some cool glasses in there. It's got some switches, no interior pieces. The seats are fucking torn to shit. The trunk works. Let me go ahead and open that. It's got some goodies back there. I don't know what to do. If I don't know if I'm gonna need them, or I'm gonna have to fucking toss these things out. But I will be working on this bad boy. Let's see, I see a diff, a shaft, some cooling lines. I'm thinking power steering, or I don't know. What is that? Tranny fluid? Power steering. All right, that's cool. I see something here, some electrical thingy. Oh, okay. Got the airbag. Nice. Completes the steering wheel. Oh, okay. HKS. Okay, this time traveled. Yeah. Another goodie. The battery. I don't know what that's to. Oh, we got an alternator. Fuck yeah. Differential. Drive shaft. Some piping. What's this to? Let me see. What's that to? Try to get this off. Oh, that's the transmission. Oh, okay, dokie. We got a little tranny. Wait, I see something down here too. Some exhaust. What is that? Oh, okay. Exhaust manifold. Oh no, it's like an original pipe. Let me see what else we got in here. Ooh! Do I see a turbo? I think I see a turbo, y'all. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let me see what's in here. Oh! Do I see another turbo? Oh! Oh, shit. But that's not gonna... I'm gonna have to buy me a rotary engine. What the hell else is in here? Trans... Oh, I'm gonna have to empty this car out. Yo, got excited. This thing's heavy. Ooh, this thing's heavy. Oh, is this a turbo? Wait. Ooh, that's a turbo. Wait, what the hell is going on right here? Hold on. Because if I'm not mistaken, I think there's another one right here. Oh shit! Let's see what. All right, y'all. If the other one has another turbo, then that means it has 4 little turbos, or what the hell is this? I might be wrong. It looks like a turbo to me, but like I said, I don't know crap about these cars. I know crap about cars. What the hell is this? Okay, we got some type of cross member in the bottom for maybe to hold up the trans. Okay. All right, let's go. Keep digging. Damn. Okay. Ooh. When I was at the shop, when I had it at the shop, I had it parked. I got I don't know what the hell we were doing, and we placed something right here when we were looking at it, and then I accidentally fucking brought it down. I think it might have been the pencil, and I ended up cracking the light. Well, I put crazy glue on it then, and it kind of did a little alright job, but fucked up the light. Other than that, the body on this car is pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. Me finding these little things right here makes me a little happy. I'm just gonna have to keep digging and seeing what I really got, because to be honest, I have no idea. So other than those 4 little turbo things, I think that's about it right here. Other than that, I'm gonna have to clean this thing up. Let me know what you guys think, because I think I got something here. Actually, I know I got something here because I got it for a very, very good price. Should I just drop an LS on this thing and fucking get it rolling, or should I try to look for an engine? If anybody knows what this it could be, I'm not sure if it's like a 3 rotor. I see 2 XR. I don't know. Have no idea. Can anybody drop a link maybe somewhere I can research? I'll definitely look into it. And other than that, man, this is the Rx7. I'm a little excited about it. I know I kind of been putting it off because of my leg situation, and I haven't really focused too much on doing things for myself, and that has kind of caused, I guess, a little bit of stress on me because I'm working, and I'm doing a whole lot of other stuff for everybody else, and I'm not doing it for myself. And I don't have anything to show for because the money that I'm making is going straight to bills. So at least with this, I'll be able to see it. And I'll be able to admire something that I love, that's gonna keep me busy, that's gonna keep me entertained, because this is gonna be a hell of a ride. I could already see it. And how I plan to do this thing, just based off what I've been looking at and how I kind of like my cars, you guys already know. I'm gonna do my shit. I have that engine over there at the shop. I don't know if you guys seen it. It's an LS3 with a supercharger on it. Let me know. What should I do it? I'm gonna fucking ruin the car, but it's already ruined. All I could do is make it better or try to find everything, and I mean everything, you know. That's gonna cost. These interiors on these things pretty pricey, and at that point, can I make it right hand drive? Would that be something that is possible with the setup that I got here? Maybe I gotta just switch it up a little. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think on this build. Tell me, was it a... Well, you guys won't ever know the price. I won't ever say until the owner decides to clear things up, right? The ex-owner, you know, because I'm the new owner now. Thank you for tapping in. Mazda Rx7 build coming real soon. I'm trying to start incorporating this into my daily life because I've been doing, like I said, a whole bunch of work for everybody else, and I wouldn't mind driving this bad boy. All right, well, thank you guys again for tuning in. This is the first of more to come. Hopefully you guys like this video, and that this video keeps you guys intrigued with the channel. Thank you guys again for all the support. It's been a long journey. We are now at like 222 subscribers and coming. So let's continue. Drop a like, subscribe, drop a comment. I'm open to all feedback. Hey, if you guys are homies, come on, man, drop some likes. And if you guys don't know me, my name is Smokes, and I'm tapping out.